Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. How old are you now? 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 Shall we please give His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, Sir Amabu Senwo, Sumilai Joseph Fubara, GSS, RS, 3 hearty cheers. Hip, 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 hip. Hooray! Hip, 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 hip. Hooray! I think we can do better. We are many enough to make it better. Hip, 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 hip. Hooray! You will now be cutting the cake. After the cutting of the cake, of course, we will sing another very special song. And of course, God has been so wonderful in His life and in the lives of all of us gathered here. So, at the mention of the last word, or the last letter rather, we will cut the cake. So we'll do it together. Shall we please give ourselves a resounding J? J. An echoing E. E. A very loud S. S. A unique U. U. And a resounding S. Jesus. For He is a jolly good fellow. For He is a jolly good fellow. He is a jolly good fellow. And so say all of us. And so say all of us. Hooray! And so say all of us. Hooray! For He is a jolly good fellow. For He is a jolly good fellow. For He is a jolly good fellow. And so say all of us. Shall we please give them a resounding round of applause?
Well thought out meeting for this region. Gentlemen of the press, let me first of all thank the governor of Bayelsa and also my colleagues, including everyone here, for this very special treatment that I received on my way into this meeting. I honestly, on behalf of my family, say thank you for this special, I call it an additional celebration outside my state. The good God who rewards in open will reward every one of you for this kind gesture. On my part, I want to say it this way. This is not the first time we're meeting. For me, I've followed the course of the region meeting in a forum that we tagged Breast Commission. Breast Commission is also one of the body that was constituted at that time to support work out development of this region. But what I'm saying today is not limiting this meeting to only Breast Commission, but widening the scope where other leaders of the region should be part of the discussion of the development of the region. And I think this is a direction that will help the region. I want to appeal, because virtually all that were needed to say, the chairman did mentioned them in his speech. And my other colleagues also have made some very vital points. But I want to appeal that if we have to succeed in this drive, we need to keep our political differences aside and understand that the struggle as at today is for posterity, for the development of our region. It's really sad that Niger Delta, that is the economic base of this country, the construction of a road that you tag East-West Road could be an issue that we need to beg, we need to protest, we need to complain. I don't think it's proper. The authorities, it's not that they don't understand that we need this road, but they don't take the road serious because you have not taken yourself serious. That is the truth. It is the value that you give yourself. That is what any other person outside will also attach to you. So I think our brand new chairman, because there is no election to elect you as the chairman, you are the oldest in our group. The four of us that are here, including the one that is not in our midst, which we are older than, you are the oldest. So you automatically will lead us. I pray that God will give you all that is needed to pilot. It's not going to be an easy task. There will be issues. Because once this kind of meeting starts and strong resolutions start coming out, you will start seeing some comments from places. But it comes to a time in the life of a man, a state, or a country to take a position. And that time is now. I can assure everyone, just like the MC said, I already have what it takes to take decision and stand by it, but not crocodile. So we'll work together to make our region great. Thank you. And God bless you.
A communique of the South Governors Forum meeting held on Tuesday, the 28th of January 2025 at the Governors Conference Room, Government House, Yenagoa. The South Governors Forum convened on Tuesday, 28th January 2025 at Government House, Yenagoa, Bayelsa State, to discuss pressing issues and strategies vital for the unity and development of the region. We, the governors, representing the states that form the South-South geopolitical region of Nigeria, are committed to collaborative governance, ensuring the well-being of our people and advancing sustainable development. The forum resolved to, 1, extend our heartfelt appreciation to Mr. President, His Excellency Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, for his steadfast support and commitment that led to the emergence of our esteemed son, His Excellency Senator Godswill Obot Akpabio, GCON, as President of the Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We commend Mr. President for the award and commencement of the Coastal Road projects
and appeal that work should also begin from the Calabar axis of the road. This strategic infrastructure will not only enhance connectivity, but also stimulate economic development in the region. We thank Mr. President for the ongoing work on the East-West Road. The forum emphasized the need to expedite action towards the completion of that road. This will facilitate movement within the region, noting that it is the major road that links all the South-South states. The forum further requests the federal government to urge relevant stakeholders and agencies to extend the remediation of polluted environment ongoing in Ogoniland to other impacted communities and states in the region. The forum calls on the federal government to activate the railway line in Port Harcourt and connect all other South-South states. We support Mr. President's tax reform bill, and the forum further urged Mr. President to extend the proposed VAT sharing percentages to other areas of derivation, such as oil and gas. The forum forged a collaborative pathway forward amongst the states of the region, emphasizing the importance of unity in our collective efforts to achieve shared goals. The forum further talked about to establish a robust structural regional security network aimed at enhancing safety and security in the South-South region. Such a network will be instrumental in fostering a stable environment conducive to economic growth and prosperity. The forum encourages member states to broaden their economic horizon by diversifying beyond oil and gas. In conclusion, we reaffirm our dedication to the ideals of unity, progress, and collaborative governance. The challenges we face as a region are daunting, but our commitment to overcoming them through collective action, strategic partnerships, and inclusive policies remain unwavering. Thank you.